If you want to increase the level of video content your marketing team produces, the best way to do that is to empower your team members to find and capture that content. In this video, I want to give you some simple ways you can encourage members of your team to incorporate video in your social media outreach. I know how busy things get. As you're working to put together releases, blog posts, and connect with journalists, as well as all the other things you do, it isn't always easy to focus on video content creation. But it doesn't have to be as hard as it seems, and the payoff can be pretty big. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Cheryl, the founder of Master Video Today. It's a community that offers training, accountability, and support for your marketing teams. Subscribe to this channel for weekly video strategies for your business. What are the biggest challenges you face when it comes to creating video content? Is it the ideas? Is it the lack of time? Is it the worry about creating professional quality video? Share your answers in the comments. Having video as part of your marketing is powerful, whether it's video interviews, promo videos, explainer videos, or behind the scenes videos. Videos give your customers a chance to connect with you. Here's a list of things you can share with your team to help them see the power of creating it for your company. Number one, always be ready to shoot video. Good or bad, we always have a piece of equipment ready for the job. What we sometimes forget is to use our phones to shoot memorable moments. Here's what to look for. If you see something cool in the office or on location somewhere, shoot some video. A new shipment coming in, a fun delivery, a big meeting, a reunion, you have the opportunity to create your own content. Being on the lookout and capturing the moment is the first step. You may not know right away what you'll use that video for, but you may kick yourself if you don't capture that video in the first place. When shooting, make sure you frame videos properly. Since you may not be sure where this video will end up, whether it will be posted on YouTube, your blog, or Facebook or Instagram, I suggest shooting the video horizontally instead of vertically. This will give you the chance to repurpose it and use it in more places. If you're getting video of a new delivery, for example, just keep this simple rule in mind. Follow the action with your camera. If you're shooting video of something that's not moving, like an interview, use a tripod or books or shoe boxes to keep your camera steady. Don't use shaky movements. If you're shooting video of a person who's talking, make sure he or she can be heard above any noise. Otherwise, use a microphone. And be aware of lighting. Make sure there's enough light on the person or the situation you're getting video of. I do have more tips on how to set up a shoot properly in this video. Then, document your videos. It's easy to get lost in how much video footage you have, and so easy to forget what you've collected. It's important to have some sort of system where you collect video clips and then delete the ones that don't look or sound good. After that, you could put the usable clips in a single Dropbox folder and document what you have, like in a spreadsheet. So when you're ready to post your videos, you'll know what you have. Your team may come up with a weekly Friday fun post or a behind the scenes of your business on Thursday kind of post. Maybe it's just a monthly newsletter where you share a video of what your team has been up to in the last 30 days. That's when you can go back to your spreadsheet or your Dropbox folder and see what videos showcase what you want to share. Whether it's a new product or a new employee you want to highlight, having the video to back up what you're talking about makes the job so much easier. That's it. To start creating a bank of video for your marketing, encourage your team to always be ready to shoot video, to frame the videos properly so the result looks professional, document the content you have, and then post the videos to social media or to your blog. We work with companies to turn their knowledge into valuable video. If you know of any companies that should learn more about this, please share this video with them. And if your team decides they want to level up their skills and start editing video, watch this next.